2, 1. We're on a race, guys. Lock it down, lock it down. Watch the bottom. Big push behind him. Low, low, low. They're wrecking. That was first. Green checker. Nice job. Hold on there, boys.
Got me there, 1, 2.
How about you, spotter?
Yes, sir. Ready to go.
Getting set to go here at Pocono Raceway.
Race number 14 of the 2019 season.
Awesome job qualifying once again. William and team are very proud of you all.
Take care of it. Have fun.
Let's dig in and get to work. Have a good day there, guys. Keep doing what you've been doing, man. It's been fun.
See if we can get a fourth win this year.
All right. Final.
Ready.
Green, 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 green. No, turn it off. He's got to pick up lane next time. Hey, one to your bumper, in the back of you here. Not sure why. One back gonna come to you hard. Darn it. Caution, caution, caution. What the hell happened, Andy? Just flat run square in the back of it. Yeah, you just stopped in front of me. My bad. We're tore up, guys. It's killed. We done or what? Done. Mother. 34 is not afraid to trap somebody off. That was a fun corner. Hit that ball. Just took down, takes off.
Stage 1 complete. Kyle Larson across the line.
Nice stage win there, bud.
MP5 there.
Holy cow, we scored stage point.
Clean air like that, my balance is okay. A little tight.
Get forward.
The 2 in the 19th state, Tony?
Correct.
Oh, man.
KESELOWSKI leads them into the Geico restart zone.
Bumper.
Wait the line now. No help out the back right now.
Got a pusher here. You should take off right here.
Might give an opportunity to the 18 to take up 3 wide.
3 bottom. Good, good, good.
Bye-bye. 2 wide tight with the 12. Inside corner, 88. I mean, my patience is out on that deal. That's getting old. Well, it's big time roll, my steer. That's probably copy. I got no idea. I'm gonna tell you, I think I'm blowing up.
This is an unscheduled stop for Martin Truex Jr. They've got a problem.
Yeah, it's coming out of the pipes. We're done.
Truex a little short for the day here at Pocono.
Green checkered flag is in the air. Kyle Larson, they take stage number 2.
Good strategy there in that stage.
You're on lap 101. Window starts at 118. 118, you make it to the end.
Green flag now.
Bull, dude. I'm just gonna run my off. It's time to race.
Well, that's Larson going after Logano all the way to the paint.
42 cleared him. He's right up behind here with a run. Get there and push off him here. It should push you away.
God, we should just hook that son of a bitch.
Gonna ask you to teach him a lesson because he races us that way every time we get around him. You know he's gonna race you like when you get there. He does it every time.
Trouble, 17. Oh, Ricky Stenhouse.
Caution flag number 7.
I just don't see how you can give up track position.
It's all going to be about the restart.
First 3 cars that left pit road, all on 2 tires, and then 4 tires behind them.
Nobody with tires will be inside the top 10 or 12 here.
The last restart of the day with 9 to go.
Switch it where you need, starts on you.
Kyle Busch getting a shove from Brad Keselowski. Now Denny Hamlin breaking on a line.
Just Jones that are 3 wide behind him. Clear. Just 14 outside door. Quarter. Bumper. Bumper.
Oh, in the wall. Pow, and Larson.
2 weeks in a row. 1 back to the 11.
Be ready, guys. 14 hooked us. For the record, I was still staying outside.
He didn't have the best car all afternoon long, but he has been far and away the best when it matters most.
The checkered flag is in the air for Kyle Busch.
Great job, guys. Awesome car. Thank you very much.
Ties him with Rusty Wallace for 9th all-time in the premier division of NASCAR racing.